So we'll start the mindfulness of sound practice now. So just establishing a comfortable position wherever you are. You may perhaps you're on a chair or a cushion. Allowing the back to be upright, but the body relaxed and at ease as best we can. And maybe to encourage this, we could perhaps roll the head a little and the shoulders a bit, just inviting that tense part of our upper body to relax a little. And for this practice, we can have our eyes open, looking gently downwards with a soft focus, or we can close them if that feels right to us. And tuning in first to how we feel at this moment. Connecting with the body, the weight of the body on the chair or cushion, points of contact with the ground, perhaps with our hands, wherever they've landed. And then tuning into the movements of the breath, a light awareness of the breath as it moves the body, as we breathe in and out. And noticing if you can hear the breath as it enters and leaves. And then letting the breath fade into the background of our awareness. And shifting attention to sounds as they arise in the environment around us, whether near or far, in the room we're in or outside, sitting still in the midst of this sound environment, just aware. Tuning into the raw sensations of the sounds. And rather than focusing on a single sound, opening our awareness up to all sounds as they come and go. And you may notice information coming into the other senses, such as sights or smells or sensations. Just allowing these to come and go, not trying to block them, as best we can, not getting distracted by them, letting them come and go in the background of our awareness. And keeping sounds center stage. And sooner or later, possibly sooner, we'll notice that our mind has wandered off and we're caught up in some story, perhaps about the sounds or maybe something else entirely. And as soon as we notice, we can let go of the distraction and gently bring our mind back to focusing on the sounds. This bare awareness of the sounds as they arise, change, and disappear. And if we find ourselves labeling sounds, or judging them and rejecting the ones we don't like and looking for more of the ones we do like, we can just notice this too and come back with kindness and curiosity and rest in this bare awareness of sounds. Maybe we can notice spaces between the sounds. Aware also of these moments of silence. And continuing for a few moments. Aware, catching ourselves when we're distracted and coming back to the sounds. And then letting go of the focus on sounds and leaving the mind to be just as it is. The senses open, aware, and letting ourselves feel whatever we're feeling. simply being.